A customer came to us with a troubled Roborock S6 pure robot vacuum that wouldn't move. So our team dismantled the robot vacuum into several parts. Whoa, look at all this dust, fur, and debris on the front wheel. The other side isn't any better. It was overwhelmed by a thick layer of dust. It's like dust heaven. Look at all this dust and debris. The fan was in danger of getting clogged. And the left wheel had given up, refusing to work anymore. We found the problem. The robot vacuum needed a wheel and LiDAR replacement. For optimal performance, it needs a deep cleaning service. We clean every nook and cranny, leaving no dust particle unturned. Now, the robot vacuum looks like new again. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.